Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you're all having a great time. Today, let's make a chickpea dry dish. This can be used on its own as a salad, or this can be used as a side dish for chapathis, rotis and the like. Here I am soaking 1 cup of black chickpeas overnight. The next day, discard the water and wash it twice or thrice. Now transfer this into a pressure cooker. Add just enough water to soak the chickpeas along with some salt, and we will cook this for 4 to 5 whistles or until it gets done completely. Once done, separate the water in which the chickpea has got cooked in. Since it contains a lot of nutrients, I don't want to waste it. So here we will cook potato in the same water. In case you are preparing this as a salad, you may increase the number of potatoes. Here I am taking one medium-sized potato, roughly chopped. As I have already added salt in the chickpea water, I am not adding any salt further. Bring it to 1 whistle and keep it aside for a while. As soon as the pan turns hot, add some oil. Into it goes 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of red chili powder. Adjust the spice as per your preference. The chili powder that I have is really spicy. 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 2 tablespoons of besan or gram flour, and 2 teaspoons of jeera powder. Keeping the flame low, add all these spices into the oil and mix well. Into this goes cooked potatoes along with its water. Keep mixing. Add more water if needed. Since we have added besan or chickpea flour, the gravy will have a thicker consistency. Now add the cooked chickpeas in and mix well until the chickpeas are evenly coated with our gravy. This can now be transferred to a serving dish. Until this step we can prepare in advance and keep. Just before serving, we will add some more vegetables, freshly chopped. Into this goes chopped onion, tomato. I like to finely chop all the vegetables. Cucumber. Increase or decrease the quantity of the vegetables as per your preference. Green chilies and lots of coriander leaves. Mix all the ingredients well and the dish is ready to be served. You may sprinkle a pinch of chaat powder on top. This is optional. I have not done so. Hope you like this video. See you soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.